Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both units and confirming compatibility. This avoids needless troubleshooting later. Power each device to a stable charge level and make sure they remain plugged in if pairing takes time. Once powered, position them 1 to 3 meters apart and keep obstacles out of the path to minimize interference. You want a clean baseline for the first connection attempt, so disable other nearby wireless units and put the receiver in pairing or standby mode now. Next, you establish the link and configure audio levels. Put the transmitter into pairing or transmission mode, and on the receiver select the identical channel or frequency. Matching these prevents false locks. Once the devices detect each other, accept or confirm the pairing on both units. Some systems require one-button sync. After connection, set the receiver gain low and slowly raise it while you send audio from the transmitter, making sure the signal is clear without distortion. To finish, lock the settings, secure any antennas, and confirm a stable RSSI or signal strength indicator before you rely on the link. You should walk through the expected coverage area while monitoring audio or recording a quick sample to validate performance under real conditions. If you encounter dropouts, first change to a less crowded channel, then reposition antennas or enable diversity/antenna swap if available. Keep these adjustments minimal and test again so you understand what fixed the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.